How to install Barbie Dreamhouse Adventure app. Yeah, you can just tap get to install it. This app is quite huge. It's like 2 gigabytes. Um, Create your own Barbie dream house experience. Join us for a bunch of fun activities: baking, cooking, dancing, make chores, home design, fashion, nail salon, hair salon, mini games, or epic pool parties. Um, home design, makeovers, coolest friends, cooking, baking, hairstyles, time for some pampering, summertime. You can just try it out in this app, everything. It has quite nice ratings. Again, you can just see some previews. It's like a horizontal app on your phone, so you need to have quite fast phone and also quite a lot of storage. So I guess starting from iPhone 10 or something like that. And then yeah, you can just do all of these things in this app. So if you're inspired by the recent Barbie movie, give it a try. So here you can just go and try to create an account.